Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Discord year recap, also known as your Discord checkpoint, so you don't lose your stats once the event disappears. So here's the deal. Discord checkpoint is actually temporary. There's no built-in download button and no way to save an editable file, but don't worry, there are a few super easy ways to keep your recap forever. First off, use the in-app share button. So when you reach the final page of your checkpoint, so let me show you quickly, you should be able to see a share button. As you can see right over here. There we go. As you can see, there's a share button. All I have to do is just tap it, and you can send your recap image straight into your any server or DM you choose. Now, this basically saves a snapshot of your highlights directly inside Discord. Now, the second method is actually taking screenshots of all of your stats. This is the most reliable way to save every page. Just swipe through your recap and screenshot each screen, whether you're on mobile or desktop. Now, the third method, you can actually save it externally. Once you've captured your screenshots, you can upload them to Google Drive, Dropbox, or email them to yourself, or post them on social media so they can stay backed up. A couple of reminders. Checkpoint only appears for a limited time each year, usually around December or January. And it won't show up at all unless you have the setting use data to personalize my Discord experience turned on under settings and data and privacy. And that's it. Three simple ways to save your Discord checkpoint before it disappears. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.